A drink, my new fearless friend. Bigfoot always has extra for his companions, even the itchy ones.
He scratches a lot, you know? More than Kevin after Zorp brought him back to life. Maybe that's what happens when you die. You just get an eternal itch.
This ghost looks familiar.
Local man missing. Suspected substance abuse.
Substance abuse? What kind of superpower is that?
Hey, where'd my ghost go? Well, what do you know? The ghost man ran away for some reason, lol. Guess he didn't like the news. Weirdo.
Also, huge thanks for 99,000 subscribers. We are 1,000 away from an amazing 100K.
Well, anyway, that's all for today. Stay hairy, my friends. Bigfoot out.
Bigfoot! 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 Bigfoot, where are you? I've lost Yeti. I think something's out here. It's got me. Get away from me! I lost my head camera. I'm being chased.
It just came out of nowhere, attacked me. Then this bear, this huge bear, just took it out.
Last night was pretty crazy, guys. We're both a bit banged up, so we're hitting this cold plunge to recover. We're gonna check Bigfoot's old books, find out what that creature was. We're both pretty sore. It seems to be called a Wendigo, according to these scriptures.
According to this, a Wendigo is a malevolent spirit, often associated with cannibalism and insatiable greed.
A creature of shadow and ice, a whisper in the wind that hungers.
So it wasn't a deer.
I was attacked by aluminum.
All right. Party's over. Time to wobble home.
Woo. Tell nobody what you saw. You hear me? I meant to do that. I meant to do that. Safe zone. Also nap zone. Tell my plants I love him. Still vlogging. Barely alive. Send snacks.
Even the sun's like, bro, chill.
I got drunk, fought a bear, and won. Round 2, KIDDDing. No more juice. That bear gave me a tattoo. Wild.
Don't drink unknown juice. Lesson learned.
Forest life.
This is my forest front door. No key needed. No doorbell either. Just give a good howl and I'll probably hear ya. This here's my chill spot. Perfect for napping and also spying on deer. It's called multitasking, people. This is my pantry, 100% organic. Farm to face, baby. Just don't touch the blue ones.
Behold, nature's toilet. No plumbing, no walls, just maximum breeze, baby.
Still beautiful, still mine. Don't touch it. I see you, squirrel.
Forest gym, baby. No drama, just gains. Guest suite, BYOB.
That's bark, not beer. Comfy, right?
Sometimes you need a private moment. This one's just for me. No deer allowed. That's Gary. He owes me a nut. Long story. Let's just say, winter was rough. Uh-oh. Little help here?
Alive and funky smelling. Oda Forest funk, baby.
They took my trees, but not my spirit. Not today.
Dude, get a hobby already. I'm out to subscription range.
Only upside, found snacks. Nature's weird, man. Real weird.
Whew. That would have been a hairy pancake, no syrup either. This ain't over. That thing's still growing, and I'm not letting it win.
Time to relocate. Forest ain't safe no more, but I'll be back. Goodbye, old treehouse. You were weird, but you were mine.
They burnt it, but I'll rise somewhere else.
Let's go find a new hideout. New trees. New trouble. New trouble.
That bounty, they can keep it. I'm priceless.
Okay.
New jungle. SAAME.
All right, first up, baby boomstick. Feels like a Nerf blaster with trauma. That's it? I've sneezed harder than that.
Okay, this one speaks my language. Loud, angry, and dramatic. Just like me.
This is the AK. It doesn't jam, it doesn't apologize, it doesn't care what your favorite fruit is. I found it in a bush, now it's family. That'll keep the raccoons humble. This is the M4. I have no idea what half the buttons do, but it looks cool. Pretty sure holding this boosts charisma by 10, maybe agility. This sightline's cleaner than my conscience. Let's dial this up. They said this was a cowboy classic. Let's find out if it kicks harder than a moose.
Sky cowboy mode! They'll photograph this like it's proof of the century. I carved it from maple, fit size 27. Taught them that last spring. Now listen, watch this. I trained those campers real good. Next knock's gonna send them running. They'll think it's a summoning sign. Maybe they'll even sit in it.
Amateurs.
Let's see how long it takes them to notice. Nice try, fellas, but you put it facing Ankh-my-shi outhouse log. Next time, hide it better.
I give them just one blurry frame, then poof. Keeps the mystery alive, you know?
They'll be halfway to the parking lot before they catch their breath.
Yo guys, first time trying this, grocery shopping. Wish me luck.
Step 1. Act normal. Step 2. Don't knock over any displays.
Okay, which berries are the good ones? Where's the wild section?
Why are these carts so small? My forest logs are bigger than this.
Frozen pizza? Tempting, but I'm more of a roasted fish guy. How do humans fit all this in one bag? My backpack holds a deer. Almost made it. Humans staring. Just smile and swipe a... Do I even have a card?
Mission complete. Kinda. Next time.
Someone sent us the hottest peppers in the world.
They smell like death.
You're trying them first.
Am I going blind?
Bro, what the hell were you thinking?
This is the third hottest pepper in the world.
Holy balls, this is wild.
And this is only the third hottest. This one's second, and it's called Dragon's Breath. Here goes nothing.
We're gonna need more milk for this.
I can't feel my mouth. This was a huge mistake.
Who thought this was a good idea?
That was insane. I don't even want to know what number 1 is like.
But Mama didn't raise no baby!
This is the hottest pepper known to man. Cheers.
I can't believe you drank all of our milk. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, bro. You ever had some good goat's milk?
If you watched our suffering to the end, comment the pepper emoji and tell us what we should try next.
Send something crazier.